lemon pepper chicken tenders. Need I say more? Let's go. Buttermilk, our lemon juice, lemon zest, of course that lemon pepper, our hot sauce, our garlic powder, paprika here. Those flavors all mixed in like this. Cup of flour here. We're gonna add some garlic, some paprika, lemon pepper seasoning. That mixed up like this. We're gonna take our chicken pieces. Of course, you're gonna get that coated in here like that. Butter over medium heat. Adding our honey, our lemon pepper seasoning, lemon zest, our garlic. All mixed in like this, just like this. Is there a lemon pepper heaven?